In this video, we're going to give you 5 tips on how to ride in the snow and mud and snow. Alright, I figured out tip number 1. You can't be choppy with the throttle and you don't want to turn it wide open fast. That's tip number 1. Let me go think about tip number 2. This bike won't start with the clutch in. Who rigged it? Tip number 2, I figured out tip number 2. Ride the middle of the seat in the corners and the back of the bike on the straightaway. This tip number 2 will get some traction. Okay, tip number 3. Are we at tip number 3? Tip number 3 is going to be learn to steer with your rear wheel. It's going to slide a lot. Learn to manage that with throttle. That's tip number 3. Be right back. Tip number 4 is going to be find any rut you can in the corners. It's brutal out there. Find a groove. Get in it, smooth throttle. Number 5, don't ride in the snow. No, just kidding. Tip number 5 is use your leg as a third wheel in the corners. Your tires are always trying to slide. Leg out on the ground, use it as your third wheel. Let it slide on the ground, keep yourself up. That's tip number 5. And that's all I got for now. We'll see you next time. Check out more videos, like, and do all that. Peace.